Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a 1,300 account that you can use to start trading without stress. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details that you need to know concerning how you can get this particular account. Now, it is very important that you don't miss out on this video so that you don't miss the step on how you can get this account. Now, someone messaged me and said that he made a mistake claiming the bonus. So this is why I make emphasis on watching the videos very carefully so you don't miss out on the process and end up missing the account. Please do well to watch it carefully so you don't miss out. Every details that you need to know concerning every account will be posted and be said in the video, so please do well to watch it carefully. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's move to how we can get this particular account. Now, the first thing you want to do now is to click on the link that is in the description of this video. Bring it right to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, all you have to do is just join the channel, join the Telegram channel, because I drop further updates, further information that you need to know concerning any videos that I drop on YouTube channel. Now, after clicking on the link, you will see a page like this. All you have to do is just click on the link under the claim here. Then after that, take you right to the interface where we need to get started. Now, the next thing you want to do now, looking at the interface, is to create an account with this particular broker. As you can see right here, all you have to do is just create an account with them, agree to their consents, and you click on register. So I'm going to do mine now and get back to the screen. Do not forget to click on send code to receive your code that you need to register on this particular account. Now, this is the code I got from them. As you can see, if you're having difficulties getting the code, please do well to check your spam for this code, just in case. Now, I'll be going ahead to put in the code, then accept it to their contents, and go ahead and click on register. As you can see right showing on the screen, I have successfully logged into the dashboard, as you can see right here. Now, the next thing you want to do now is to click on free challenge right here. You click on free challenge so we can go ahead and get our 1,000 free profile account that we want to use to start trading. Now, showing on the screen is the account that we are going to be claiming. As you can see right here, this is the account that we'll be getting on this particular platform. Now, showing on the screen is the step that you need to know concerning this particular account. Now, as you can see, this is the step 1, the step 2, the funded account, and you withdraw your money, withdrawal successful. This is the circle of now is a 2-step challenge. Now, the terms and conditions that you need to know, the promotion rule for this particular account is right here showing on the screen. This is it right here showing on the screen. As you can see, this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. For you to know the terms and conditions fully, all you have to do is click on this right here. And after clicking on it, you have your terms and conditions right on the screen. All you have to do is just go through this carefully and understand whatever it is that you need to do concerning this particular account. Now, before you can make your payout on this particular account, you need your KYC. As you can see, your evaluation step for the phase 1 is right here. Maximum daily loss 10%, maximum total loss is 20%. Then minimum of 1 day trading is required. And the phase 2 is to achieve 15% profit target. As you can see, your maximum daily loss is 5%, your maximum total loss is 10%, and minimum of 4 trading days is required. Now, I'm going to be taking a screenshot so I can drop it on my Telegram channel. So for more understanding, do well to check my Telegram channel for these terms and conditions. So now let's get started in claiming this particular account. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to click on claim now. As you can see right showing on the screen, you click on claim now. Then after clicking on claim, as you can see, your account has been sent. Your account, so you click on OK. So the next thing we want to do now is to head down to our email for our login details that we're using to trade. Now, as you can see right showing on the screen, this is the login details that I'll be using to trade. Now, there's an app that you're using to trade on for this account. There's an app you'll be using to trade for this particular account. Now, I'll be showing you the app that you need to download to get this particular account started. Now, don't forget, you will need your login details and your password. Now, let's go ahead to downloading the app that you need to use to trade this particular account. Now, showing on the screen is the app that you need to download to be able to trade this particular account. Now, I'm just going to install this app right here. As you can see, I'm going to install this app and get started with this account. So this is the app right here. All you have to do is just put in your username, your password, and you put in the host. Don't forget you copy the server. So showing on the screen, this is the host. You copy from your email address, and after that you add your username and your password, then you click on continue. As you can see, this is me right here. All you have to do is just click on account and you have your 1,300 account ready for you to trade. As you can see right on this screen. Now, this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. Your account is ready. So for you to start trading on this particular account, all you have to do is just click on trade right here. Then you can go ahead and pick in any pairs that you want to trade. Forex, metals. Go ahead and search for the pairs and you get started with trading. This is basically how the app works. As you can see right here, your account has been credited. This is all you need to know. Every order, your tickets, your position that you need to know concerning this particular account will be shown right here. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on your notification button. And when you get this particular account, do well to drop it in the comment section that you've been able to get this account. See you in my next video. Bye.